Hello everybody, this is Jonathan, and today I'll be showing you guys how to use Popsicle software that has been developed by System76. So this application will allow you to write ISO images to a USB stick so every guys can use a USB stick to boot up the OS to real hardware. So it could be a laptop, could be a desktop PC, or even a Raspberry Pi if it is supported on there. So this will allow you to install an operating system to a USB stick to boot up onto a hardware. Let me go ahead and open it. Now what we need to do is choose an image, and you guys can also use like multiple USB devices as well with this utility, which is pretty cool. So you guys can have more from one USB stick. Just plug in as many USB sticks as you want to install the operating system too. So just like choose an image, and now go and browse where an image is. So for example, I can go to a downloads directory, and if here shows up a bunch of ISO files, I'll go ahead and install the Hello system. Let's go and click onto that one. Now once I've selected the ISO image that you guys want to install onto your USB devices, what you do now is press on the next button, and then from here we'll be able to select which devices you want to install it to. So I can install it to that one, you guys can install it to that one, you guys can skip the third one, maybe we can install it for the fourth one. So just select it for ones that we want to install it to by just clicking onto the USB. Or alternatively, you guys can select all, and that will install the operating system to all of the devices. But there's only one of the USB sticks that I do have installed, so you can only select one that is 120 gigabytes. But you guys can select as many devices you want to install this operating system too. Now all you need to do now is press on the next button. It will ask you for a password. Just enter your password. And now it should start writing the ISO image to the USB stick. This may take a while, so I'll go and pause this video. Okay, it's now completed, so all you need to do now is press on the done button, and now we should be able to boot up the USB stick or real hardware, and I will show you guys a demo. So all you need to do is just press on the on button. Once it does power on, now we need to press on the escape key, but it might be F2 or F1 depending on your motherboard. But for me, I just need to press on the escape key, and that should boot me up to a BIOS. But it might be a different key for you guys, so you may have to press something like F1 or F2 or anything like that. So make sure you read the documentation on their website. Or you guys can go ahead and just experiment it, but most of the time it's going to be either escape, F1 or F2. Okay. So once you're here, all you do is go to the USB device. So let me go ahead and select USB, partition 2, and select that one. It looks like it's currently booting up. FreeBSD is what it's based off. Okay, so now what I need to do is select English for the main language. My mouse is not working. Okay, that's fine. Okay, it looks like we're in now. Use English for the main language. Okay. Oh, the mouse is now working. Okay, cool. So, yeah. Hello system is now installed. It looks like macOS, so I can go ahead and install it, and I can just say to my friends that I now got macOS. So I can obviously go ahead and install Hello system if I wanted to. And yeah, this is how I'll be able to use Popsicle to install the ISO image onto a USB stick. Amazing. Anyway, thanks so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please put a like and please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.